What if sociology wasn't meant to describe society, but to awaken it? Ali Shariati was not just a sociologist, he was a revolutionary intellectual who fused sociology, history, and Islamic ethics to critique injustice. Writing in mid-20th century Iran, Shariati drew on Marx, Weber, Fanon, and Shi'i thought to argue that ideas are never neutral, they either sustain oppression or challenge it. His first major theory is committed sociology. Shariati rejected value-free social science, arguing that sociology must stand with the oppressed. Knowledge for him carried moral responsibility. This resonates with Pierre Bourdieu's concept of symbolic power and Frantz Fanon's decolonial sociology, both of whom saw theory as inseparable from struggle. Contemporary Muslim scholars like Hamid Dabashi extend this idea by framing intellectuals as ethical witnesses rather than detached observers. Second is Shariati's theory of religion as a force of liberation. He distinguished between red Shi'ism, rooted in justice and resistance, and black Shi'ism, used to legitimize power. Religion, he argued, can either awaken or anesthetize society. Talal Asad later built on this by showing how religious traditions shape moral subjects, while Saba Mahmood complicated liberation narratives by redefining agency beyond Western secular assumptions. Third is his theory of alienation through Westernization. Shariati warned that uncritical imitation of the West produces cultural self-erasure. This mirrors Frantz Fanon's analysis of colonial psychology and aligns with Syed Hussein Alatas' critique of the captive mind in postcolonial societies. Ibn Khaldun's earlier insights into imitation and civilizational decline give this theory deep historical roots. Together, Shariati's ideas challenge us to rethink identity, justice, and the role of knowledge itself. Sociology, in his vision, is not about comfort, it is about conscience. If this made you rethink what sociology is for, like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who believes ideas can still change the world.